Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a Play-Doh flower. Right now I'm rolling out the stem. So that's what the first step you want to do. And leave down in the comments what you want me to make next, like any kind of Play-Doh thing. I can make anything for you guys. So, the stem's almost done. It fell apart. Oopsies. There we go. Oh my gosh, why does it keep on falling apart like this? Okay. This is the first Play-Doh video that I've done. Oh no. So you'll want it about, like that. And then you are going to make the bottom of it straight. You can add that to that part. Want it as straight as possible. Okay, so that's what it should look like. Let me roll that part out a little bit more. That should work. And now you will need any sort of thing, like rolling thing, to roll out your Play-Doh. So I'm gonna start by smushing it down a little bit. And right now we are making the petals. So oh no. I must have pushed too hard on that. Whoopsies. I'm too powerful for Play-Doh. Okay. I should start over now with that part. Smush it down, like I said. As smush as possible so it'll be easier for you to roll it out. This is hard. I'm way too strong for the Play-Doh. Maybe I should push a little lighter. I'm still way too strong for it. Why am I so strong? Okay. Almost ready. And that is about how thick you want it. About like that. And then for the petals, you are going to do a straight line. And if it's too fat, you can like press your finger to make it a little shorter. And then you're going to curve on both sides. And you don't want it pointy. If you get it too pointy, you are going to do that with your finger. Just like curve it around with your finger. And then you are gonna like kind of smush it down on your stem. Okay. And then you're gonna keep on doing that part. So okay. And then and if you kind of mess up, you can also do that like I showed you with that one. And then this is what you should have right now. That's okay. And then you're gonna do that again. See, I got that one too fat, so I'm just gonna use my finger to. I got it a little too thin. I'm getting it too fat and too thin. Okay, that'll be good. like I said, you're gonna curve and don't want it too pointy. Oops. And like that. And then I'm gonna put it like that. And then that is what you should have. That looks funny. Okay, and do that again. Oopsies. There we go. I got that one too pointy. So this is what you're gonna do. Oh, the point came off. But you're gonna do that. Okay. And then you're going to place it right there. And then now you should have that. So now, oh, wrong side. Whoopsies. And then you're going to do that one more time, and then I'm going to have to roll out some more Play-Doh for it. And then you can use any color. You can also do a rainbow flower. I am just using purple because it's the only color I have. Okay, and then you're going to place that one right there. Okay, and now, don't fall apart, flower, stem. And then, okay, hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Oh gosh. Now, that is what you should have. And then you are going to roll it out again if you don't have any more space. If you do have more space, then you don't have to roll it out again. So, like I said, start by smushing it down. Get it as smushed as possible so it'll be easier for you to roll out. Hopefully this time I'm not too strong for the Play-Doh. Okay, it doesn't seem like I'm too strong for the Play-Doh. I said that weirdly. Play-Doh. There we go. I said it correctly now. And if you didn't see at the beginning of the video how thick, it's supposed to be about that thick. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing as you did with that. You are going to do a straight line, curve on both sides. Don't want it too pointy. There. That one's messed up a little bit. Okay. And then you're going to place it right in the middle between these two petals. And then you should have that right now. Okay. And then you're going to do it again. Okay, that'll work. Try to get this like the same size as you can. I can't really do it that well. And then you're going to place it right there. You can barely see that petal right there, but it's okay. Now you should have that. And you're just going to place them in between each gap. So, and then if you want, you can also skip to that. Skip this part because you know what to do. Okay. And then we will need one more. No. Okay. One more petal. And then about that. Okay, and then this is what you should have right now. And if you want to put detail on the petals, you can. I'm not going to do that because I think it'd take me too long. Even though I do like to be creative. Okay. And now we are going to, hold on, I think I might need to do a little more to the stem. That is too short. I must have not got enough Play-Doh for the stem. Okay. Still not enough. Would that be good? A little more. Like that. And then you're going to cut it straight as possible. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to stick it on this because I got it too short. Okay. There we go. And now we are going to move on to the leaves. Okay. Smush it down like I said with the petals. And then roll it out. You kind of want it a little bit thicker than the petals. So, and you will only need 2 of them. And you also want them a little pointy, but not too pointy. About that thick for your leaves. And then, okay. Same thing, you're going to do a straight line. And then curve too, except you want it pointy. There. And now I'm going to do the design with the leaves. That's the only thing I'm going to do, a design. Okay, I don't know if they go up or down. I'm just going to do down because that's what I think it is. Like that. And then do that same with the other side. And then you're going to place it about right there. Same thing, smush it down like the petals. And then you're going to do another one. Okay. Still doing the curve. Oopsies. I don't know how I left off. So I might have got that one a little too. About like that. Okay, same thing as that leaf. I'm gonna do it straight line down and do that. Okay. And then now you're going to place it a little bit above that leaf. Right there. And then, it fell. It fell apart. No, my beautiful flower. That is what you should have. Right there. Like I said, you can decorate like the petals. I just didn't decorate them because I thought it was going to be too long. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.